video, guys, I'm so happy. I'm going to share it with you. There you go. So, mag-umpisa ng YouTube channel pero nahirapan. So, I got you guys. I got you. Hello guys! Hi! Kumusta po kayo? Welcome to my channel. So, this video, guys, I'm so happy. I'm going to share it with you guys. Yung isa ko na namang achievement sa isa kong channel. And it is... Tan, 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 tan.
Wow!
Another silver play button from YouTube. I'm super duper happy, guys, kasi parang napaka-fulfilling lang na maka-receive ng ganito. Alam niyo na, ang hirap-hirap kaya ang hirap-hirap makaabot sa ganito, yung maka-receive ka ng makakuha ng 100,000 subscribers. It's really a hard work. So, samahan niyo ako, guys. Let's unbox this. Actually, it's my second silver play button na. Yung isa kong channel, ayun, na-receive ko na within 2 months. Yun, within 2 months na after I uploaded my first video, after 2 months, na-receive ko to. And this one, yung another channel ko naman, it took like May, June, July, August, September, October, November. Yeah, October. It took like 6 months before ko na-reach yung 100,000 subscribers. So, here it is. Pam, pam, pam. So, let's unbox, guys. Samahan niyo ako. Let's see. Okay, I have scissors here. So, yung una, hindi ko actually na-record nung in-unbox ko yun, nung na-receive ko yun. Kasi, alam nyo na, super excited. Kaya, hindi na nakuhanan ng video. But for this one, for the second one, and maybe for the third, assuming, no? Why not, diba? Basta, work for it. Yes. Walang imposible. Basta may determinasyon at tiyaga. Yun lang talaga, guys. Hard work. At saka, kailangan maraming pasensya. Whee! Okay. The first one is this one. And oh, may sulat sa YouTube. Ang sabi, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. Charot. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you, Rick. Ito na lang. Yan. Yan. And then a letter from the YouTube CEO, who is Neil Mohan. Yeah. Do you remember your first subscriber? Your 100? We're proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations! Dun, 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 dun. And we know that you have many more stories to share with your community. And we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows? When you reach your 1 million subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000 subscriber? Yours sincerely, Neil Mohan. Okay, here it is now, guys. Here it is now. Meron kasamang Doesn't smell anything. So here, smell kunwari sa camera. No, hello. Ang hirap kayong i-reach to. Kaya pag nakuha mo talaga to, ay naku, super happy ka talaga. Parang worth it lahat yung mga pinaggagawa mo sa YouTube. Worth it lahat yung pagod mo, no? Kaya lahat ng mga ka-receive nito, super, super, duper happy. I'm rooting for you guys. And here, naka-plastic siya. There you go. Okay, ito siya guys. Presented to Hi Mini Toys for passing 100,000 subscribers. YouTube. Thank you, YouTube. So, ito yung guys sa likod. Pwedeng isabit anywhere. Yan. So guys, kung if you want to see yung yung YouTube ko, yung itong channel na to, I'll put it up here. Follow niyo ako guys. And if you want to know how did I made it this far, or charot, how did I make this far? Ano yun? Kung paano ko po na-achieve ito at saka iyon within 2 months. Yun, within 2 months. And this one is within 6 months. Comment lang kayo guys and I'll make a video for that. Or maybe gawa na lang ako ng ibang video. Baka sakaling may ma-inspired ako. Kasi ako, I started this year lang. Na-inspired din ako sa sa friend ko na na may Facebook friend kasi ako. Tapos lagi siyang nagpo-post ng mga achievement niya sa Facebook. And then lagi ko siyang nakikita. And then tapos binibisita ko yung YouTube channel niya, nag-observe ako. Ako kasi hindi ako mahilig sa I mean, it's not my forte ba yung vlogging or blogging. Parang hindi ako magaling magsalita or hindi rin ako, alam mo yun, hindi ako maano sa camera. Parang camera shy ako. So, nung tinitingnan ko siya, pwede palang ganito, pwede palang faceless na gumawa ng YouTube and then ma-reach mo yung ganitong milestone. So, yan, nag-observe lang ako sa channel niya and then parang sabi ko, parang ang dali lang nitong gawin Why don't I try it? So, yun guys, I tried it. Na-inspired ako sa mga achievement niya sa Facebook. I got inspired. So, ayun, ginawa ko rin. So, instead na mainggit sa mga achievement ng iba guys, why not make it as an inspiration? Oh, di ba? Ayan, na-inspired ako. So, I got this. And I also got that. I have 2 now. Oh, medyo maalikabok na. Yung silver play button na to, yung channel ko na, Bherly. Pag i-redeem mo na, yung ibibigay ni YouTube na na code, syempre may i-fill out kang form doon. Pwede mong i-change kung ano yung gusto mong pangalan na nakalagay dito. I'm going to YouTube channel ko na na nakakuha nito is Bherly lang. Pero since yung anak ko gusto rin andon, so ang inilagay ko na lang Bherly and Emma. Kasi pwede mo siyang i-customize kung ano yung gusto mong pangalan. Ganun. So, here guys. I'm so happy. Oh, picture. Parang sila lang. Pero I'm just so happy guys. Thank you po sa lahat ng mga lahat ng mga nanonood, lahat ng mga sumusuporta. At saka baka sakaling ma-inspire din ako. So I'm making this video although mahiyain po talaga ako. Parang hindi ko kaya. Parang hindi ko talaga magawang gumawa ng video. Siguro nung mga younger days ko, mga mahilig din ako mga sa selfie, ganyan. Pero nung na ako, nag-30s, especially nung late 30s na, parang nahiya na akong mag-selfie, parang ganun, na-outgrown. Hindi, pero yes, I'm making this video kasi baka sakaling may inspire din ako dyan sa inyo. having a hard time figuring out kung paano ba mag-umpisa sa YouTube. Gustong kumita sa YouTube or gustong mag-umpisa ng YouTube channel pero nahirapan. So, I got you guys. So, yeah guys, I'm going to make a video, another video. How did I, kung paano ako nakapunta dito. So, watch nyo guys. Subscribe na rin kayo in this channel kasi, at saka sa description guys, I'm going to show it to you. Yung, ilalagay ko yung mga yung mga channel ko with this. Yung mga naka-receive Silver Play Button Award. So, you can check it then. So, pero dito guys, sa channel na to, I'm going to, share, my milestone sa YouTube. Baka sakaling may ma-inspire ako at, makatulong din sa iba. So, yun lang guys. Subscribe kayo para, update kayo kung kailan ko i-upload yung another video. Ano ko na-reach yung 100,000 subscribers in just 2 months. And how did I monetize my channel in just 45 days? Yes, 45 days guys. Na-monetize ko yung channel ko within 45 days! So, yun lang guys. Bye! See you sa next upload video ko. So happy.